You probably have the wrong idea about disciplined people. You imagine they wake up ready, focused, certain, somehow stronger than you. You think discipline is something they have, and you don't. And maybe that's the lie keeping you stuck. Because disciplined people hear the same alarm. And sometimes they hate it too. God, I really don't want to get up. Just 5 more minutes. It's too warm. They still feel lazy. I feel like I'm wasting time. Everything just seems kind of pointless right now. I'm just so exhausted. The difference is not what they feel. They feel everything. It is what they do with it. The difference is what they do next. That's the truth nobody makes look exciting. Discipline rarely feels powerful. Most of the time, it looks boring. Repetitive. And completely invisible to everyone else. Nobody applauds when you get out of bed. Nobody celebrates the first 20 minutes of focused work. Nobody sees the moment you choose not to reach for your phone. But you see it. And every small decision is teaching you something. This is who I am becoming. The problem is, most people try to build discipline backwards. Time waits for no one. This is my chance. The ultimate routine begins now. You are a king. Command your future. Tomorrow, I'll be disciplined. Tomorrow, I'll do everything right. Tomorrow, I'll become someone else. But tomorrow arrives, same impulses. Same excuses. Same tired mind. Carrying a plan designed for a person who doesn't exist. Then you fail and call yourself undisciplined. But what if discipline was never about becoming someone else first? What if you build that person that stands tall against all odds? Ethan opens a fresh blank notebook page. One decision at a time? Discipline begins with a choice so small. Your ego might laugh at it. Stand up when the alarm rings. Put the phone away. Begin before you feel ready. Not because you suddenly feel disciplined, but because you made the decision before the feeling arrived. Read that again inside your mind. The decision comes first. The feeling may come later. Some mornings, do it anyway. That's where discipline lives. In the space between what you feel and what you choose. Every time you choose the harder, useful action, that space gets stronger. Time's up for that. Let's move on. The decision becomes faster. Open it automatically. Prepare the page. The action becomes familiar. You stop asking, "Am I disciplined?" I never miss a deadline. Because you have evidence. Sure. You know who you are becoming. But listen carefully. Discipline does not mean you never struggle again. You will still want the easy choice. You will still have bad mornings. You will still fail. The disciplined version of you is not the person who never falls. It's the person who stops turning one failure into permission to disappear. you return. All right, let's start fresh. Putting this away now? I'm ready. Without a dramatic speech, without waiting for Monday, without promising a new life. That's the truth about self-discipline. You don't wait until you become strong enough to act. You act, you return, you repeat, and one ordinary decision at a time, you rebuild yourself.